Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the primary mouse button to the left or right in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on mouse and trackpad and then click on primary mouse button. Now from here you can set the primary mouse button to the right or left, so just simply tap on option to select. So that's how you can set the primary mouse button to left or right in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.